Hey, what's up guys? Hype Gaming back with another video, and today this is a out of an unordinary video. Today, something went down. So if you would like to see more of these story times, make sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and click the bell. Let's get straight into the video. So I was like inside my house. I was just playing games, just recording my video, my Clash of Clans video. And like a couple of hours later, my dad, he came. He came. He was like, "Why don't you go outside?" So I went outside. So first, what happened was I was going down this like hill, and like the one of the screws for the part of my bike, because I was riding my bike, and one of the screws for it fell off out of nowhere, because I think I hit a bump going down the hill, and I was like, Dad, can you fix it? And he ended up fixing it. I was like, okay. He's like, make sure it works perfectly. I was like, okay, I will. And yeah, after that, I just went on riding my bike. So like what I pumped when my screw was, where because he had got another one, and he screwed it in. So after that, it was because I was right by the pool. I couldn't go to the pool because I don't have pool tags yet. After that, I went by the pool. I did some stunts. I did the what's it called? Where you like twist the hand, where you turn the handle. I forgot what it's called. Yeah. So I was over there, and I went back. I was like close to my house, and I remember it was like a week ago. I did like a prank. It's like a killer clown had showed up to my house and ended up breaking in and like stole my money. A week later, the woman, cause she had like this doorbell which you can see like a camera. So like she ended up finding me. She was like, "Are you okay? Did you like get hurt or anything, or like something like that?" I was like, "No, I had to lie about it. Like no, my dad had gave me the money that he stole." He's like, "Okay, just be careful, cause you don't know what might be around here." So I was like, okay. She's like, "Be safe." I was like, okay. And I was blasting music, like, cause I had my phone, and I was just blasting music. The Orange Justice thing. Let me show you real quick. Let me show you the song. I got like that 1 hour version. So I don't use Spotify no more. I have quite a few songs. You see this. Pretty lit, huh? Yeah. So I was like, I was probably like halfway into the song. So I mean, into like the whole thing. So yeah. So I went, like I went by like another neighborhood, but it's like a whole community, like a whole block. It's like a big community. And I was like, no, I'm going to go over there. And I went over there. I was just riding around, and I see a baby bird. So I'm myself, my dumb retarded self. I go by the baby bird. I'm like, and next thing you know, the mama bird end up hitting me in my head. She kept hitting my head, and I end up swatting her off of hitting my head. Like my head hurts. Still. Hold on. Okay, anyway, back to what I was saying. It actually dove at me 3 times. Like, not even gonna lie, it dove at me 3 times. The other 2 times, he missed. Thank God he did, cause my tiny little brain wouldn't survive. Or my tiny little head wouldn't survive. Like, the second and third time it came at me, it almost hit me. I was like, oh my God, I just got attacked. I just got attacked. And I pedaled as fast as like, the people, they even saw, it was some people that was driving. Hold on, be right back. Okay, anyways, and some people, they were like driving by. I was like, are you okay? I just seen you get like attacked by some bird, like by a bird. I was like, yeah, I'm okay, but it really did hurt a little. It's just like be careful and stuff. It's like, okay, I'll try. I rode as fast as I could to my house. So anyway, yeah, that's the story for today. So it was really me having the worst luck for today. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and click the bell. It'll notify you when to make another video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.